In the Renaissance, the most famous glassmakers in the world came from Venice, and Venetian masters developed a range of glassware that no one had ever seen before.
Building a goblet on the blowpipe begins with making the vessel body. Here glass has been gathered on the end of a blowpipe, lowered into a dip mold, twisted, and blown. A constriction or neck is created near the blowpipe. Eventually this will be opened to become the vessel rim. The excess glass at the tip is knocked off, and a small bit of glass freshly gathered from the furnace is added at the tip of what will become the bowl of the goblet and tooled with the jacks to become a maurice, a decorative disc which is used to join various parts of a goblet. Here another bubble is lowered onto the maurice, cut free, and manipulated to become a knop, a decorative ball, just below the bowl of the goblet. Again, the excess glass is knocked off. Another bit of glass is added to create another maurice on the end of the knop. Here a third bubble of glass has been gathered, dipped in the optic mold, and it's touched to the face of the second maurice. The blowpipe is turned, and in doing so, the optic ribs become twisted. The bubble is cut free of the blowpipe. A hole is created, and after reheating, the hole is dilated or opened to become the foot. This tool is called the soffietta, or little puffer, and it's used to inflate glass. After reheating, the foot is given its final shape. Next, the vessel must be transferred to the punty, a handle with which it will be held as the edge or rim of the goblet is created. Is a metal rod with a small amount of hot glass at one end. It's stuck on the bottom of the vessel, and the vessel is broken free of its blowpipe. After reheating, the hole is made a little larger, and the soffietta is used to further inflate the glass. After another reheat, the hole is opened a little larger, the soffietta is used again, and this will facilitate the final opening. And the vessel is given its final shape using the jacks. The goblet can then be broken free of the pontil by gently tapping with the tweezers. Building goblets on blowpipes began with Roman glassworkers. It reached its zenith in Renaissance Venice, when workers used this method to create fantastically complicated goblets.